Bunny takes.
Welcome back. We're here with something new.
New.
We got a recommendation.
I know this group called Nona. Nona?
Nona?
Nona.
Nona.
No.
I don't know.
Nah. And this is the song that was recommended.
Honk. Official music video. No,
I don't know
about
who
this.
are they, which company, and
We don't know if they're Korean,
are they
Japanese,
new?
Thai. We don't know anything. We'll see. We'll find out.
Yes.
Play.
Honk, honk.
Okay. Baddies.
I was thinking about another group. That's why I'm talking about hype.
Nona.
Oh, I don't know them. Are they Korean?
Oh my god, I've been in those buses. And I hated that the windows were broken and couldn't be open.
Are they American group?
I think they're Thai.
Thai.
Oh, I like her. That's good vocal.
She's sassy. Wow. Yeah, they're Thai. Is it autumn though?
I love the honk is in the background, like melodic honk.
Yeah. Wait, maybe they'll be Vietnam also.
Jalapa, Toco. Okay.
Wow. They have like supermodel
Yes.
face.
Wow. Nona.
Oh, this is the dance video I added because I saw a honk.
Look, this is Bus Party Wisata.
Oh,
I have no idea what is that.
me too. Hi.
Okay, carry on. Okay.
Please let us know where they from.
Yeah, we're gonna guess, but we're not sure.
Yeah, I don't think they're from Thai.
Right?
No, they're not.
I kind of like the color.
Shake you.
Oh, the bus.
Yeah.
Okay, Robin. I like your vocals.
I feel like a new girl group.
I like the vibes. Very pretty. Oh wow!
Cario.
I can love that.
I lost that once I grew up.
The ancots. They're on the ancots. Where's ancots? Very little names.
Right? Or Philippines. Please let us know where they.
Yeah, we're kind of like guessing. There's a silver man on the door.
Oh my god!
They're so cute.
So time to go.
Bye. No, literally, the bus is stuck in the middle of traffic.
Oh yeah, that's so
crazy.
true. Oh no. Oh, okay. This was another video. It's called Work. Also recommended on the comment.
Nona.
No. Okay, I need to know what instrument is this one.
I like nails.
Ooh, I just look at it. Yeah, it's very good.
Oh wow. I cannot do that. Wow.
Oh wow,
I
this
love this
angle. Oh, the second.
I like her vocals.
I feel like American group. Now look at it.
Yeah, I really love everything.
This was your.
The vocals.
I don't know how the back is not.
They do a lot of that.
Sure.
Like, how? Do you have bones?
Nope.
Right.
This is a good workout actually.
Alright. Wow, they're so pretty there.
Oh wow.
They're so pretty. No. They are 4 members. I really like. I'm very confused where
Where are they
this group
from?
but it's okay. You will let us know.
Yeah.
So far I really like the song. The first one is Honk. This one is Work. I like that they use a lot of instrumental in the background, like very like regular things, like to make.
And the
it
clothing is
rhythm.
way different too. It's not like
This one felt more traditional clothes, like traditional instruments and stuff.
Hawaii.
I don't know.
Now I come up Hawaii now. Oh my god.
It's okay. But you will let us know. We will find out eventually. But yeah, I really like the vibe.
Yeah, thank you for recommending.
Yeah, we like it.
Yeah.
We like the choreo too.
I'm curious, maybe they're new group.
Are they a new group? Please let us know. We want to know more about them, so
Yeah.
let us know. Yeah, that would be